Tesla's voice command system in Model 3, Y, S, and X vehicles has significantly evolved. As of December 2025, it leverages xAI's Grok AI for enhanced natural language processing and context-aware responses. The latest software, V13.1, offers improved understanding of accents, multi-turn conversations, and faster response times under zero point 0.5 seconds with MCU3 chip, available in 2024 Model Y and 2025 refreshes. Commands are active by default in vehicles with software V12 Plus. Access the full list via Control's voice commands on the touchscreen or through the Tesla app. The system supports navigation, media, vehicle control, and more. Recent patches have improved accuracy in noisy environments. To activate voice control in your Tesla, simply say, "Hey Tesla." This wake word can be customized in settings, or press the voice button on your steering wheel or touchscreen. For navigation, use commands like "Navigate to Stanford University" or "Find charging stations near me." The system uses natural language processing to understand your intent and plot routes accordingly. Control your media with commands like "Play jazz music on Spotify" or "Play my favorite playlist." Tesla supports multiple apps, including Spotify and YouTube Music, for seamless entertainment. For vehicle control, say "Open the trunk," adjust temperature to 72 degrees, or "Autopilot on." These commands help manage your Tesla's functions hands-free for safer driving. Stay connected with commands like "Call Mom" or text "I'm on my way to Alex." The system integrates with your phone's contacts for easy communication while driving. Get information with queries like "What's the weather today?" or "Show me the news." The AI provides contextual responses to keep you informed during your drive. For best results, be clear and concise. Avoid slang, speak naturally, and the advanced natural language processing will understand your intent accurately. Current trends show AI integration creating smarter assistants with multimodal inputs. Privacy is prioritized through on-device processing and encrypted voice data storage. Looking ahead, Tesla aims for full conversational AI that could integrate with robots like Optimus for comprehensive in-car assistance.